Why sleep changes after 60 and how to fix it. Sleep is something we often take for granted until it slips away. And for many people over 60, restful, uninterrupted sleep becomes elusive. You might find yourself waking up several times a night, struggling to fall back asleep, or simply feeling exhausted even after a full night in bed. You're not alone. In fact, over 50% of adults over the age of 60 report frequent sleep problems. But here's the good news. This isn't just part of aging. There are real reasons your sleep changes, and more importantly, there are real solutions. In today's video, we're diving deep into why sleep becomes more difficult after 60, how your circadian rhythm evolves as you age, and the powerful habits, routines, and natural approaches that can help you reclaim truly restorative, healing sleep. Whether you suffer from insomnia, light sleep, or just want to wake up feeling more energized, this video is your complete guide to sleeping better in your golden years. The biology of sleep after 60. What's really going on? How aging changes your brain, hormones, and sleep cycle. As we age, our sleep patterns change due to natural shifts in brain chemistry and hormonal cycles. One of the biggest culprits is melatonin, the hormone that regulates your sleep-wake cycle. Melatonin production begins to decrease with age, meaning your brain doesn't receive as strong a signal to power down at night. This is one reason older adults may feel sleepy earlier in the evening and wake up earlier in the morning, a shift in their internal biological clock. Another important factor is slow-wave sleep, also called deep sleep, which is critical for cell repair, immune function, and memory consolidation. Unfortunately, older adults get far less slow-wave sleep than younger people. Instead, they spend more time in the lighter stages of sleep, which makes them more sensitive to disturbances like noise, temperature changes, or bathroom trips. Pain from chronic conditions like arthritis or back issues also disrupts sleep cycles. And then there's polypharmacy, a fancy word for taking multiple medications. Many prescriptions common in later life, like blood pressure meds, antidepressants, or corticosteroids, can interfere with sleep. Finally, let's not forget that lifestyle plays a massive role. Retirees often lose the structure of a daily schedule, spend less time outdoors in natural light, and may move less physically, all of which weaken your body's ability to regulate sleep naturally. So no, it's not all in your head. These are real biological changes that affect your sleep. But the empowering truth is that with the right approach, you can overcome them. What is sleep hygiene and why it matters more now than ever? Simple daily habits that can transform your sleep. Let's talk about sleep hygiene. No, it's not about changing your sheets. It's about the behaviors, routines, and environments that help or hurt your ability to sleep deeply and consistently. First, let's look at your evening routine. Avoid stimulants like caffeine after 2 p.m. Yes, even that afternoon cup of tea or chocolate dessert can disrupt sleep. Nicotine and alcohol are also sleep enemies. While alcohol may make you drowsy, it actually reduces REM sleep and causes more frequent awakenings during the night. Build a consistent wind-down routine, set a regular bedtime, and aim to go to bed and wake up at the same times every day, even on weekends. Your brain loves consistency. About an hour before bed, dim the lights, turn off bright screens, and avoid stimulating conversations or media. Try reading a book, journaling, or taking a warm bath. These send a powerful signal to your nervous system that it's time to shift into rest mode. Your sleep environment matters more than you think. Your bedroom should be cool, ideally 65 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Completely dark, use blackout curtains or an eye mask, and quiet. If you live in a noisy area, use a white noise machine or app. Make sure your mattress and pillows support your body properly. Even small discomforts can cause frequent night wakings. If you wake up during the night and can't fall back asleep, don't lie there tossing and turning. Get out of bed, go to a different room, do something quiet and calming, then return to bed when sleepy again. This trains your brain to associate bed with sleeping, not stress. The circadian rhythm, your internal clock and how to reset it. Fix your sleep schedule. With light movement and routine, your circadian rhythm is the 24-hour cycle that governs your energy, hormones, body temperature, and of course, your sleep. It's regulated primarily by one thing: light. For people over 60, this rhythm often becomes weaker. You may feel tired earlier in the evening and wake up before sunrise, or you may have difficulty falling asleep at your usual time. The good news? You can reset your rhythm with 3 key tools: light, movement, and timing. Start your day by getting bright sunlight within 30 minutes of waking. Go outside for 10 to 20 minutes without sunglasses. This helps suppress melatonin and signals to your brain that it's time to be alert. Doing this consistently can shift your rhythm and help you feel sleepier at the appropriate time at night. Get regular movement during the day. A morning walk or light stretching is great. If you're more active, add low-impact cardio or strength training. Exercise not only helps you fall asleep faster, but also deepens the quality of your sleep. Just avoid vigorous activity too close to bedtime. Your eating schedule also plays a role. Avoid large meals within 2 to 3 hours of bedtime and try not to snack late at night. Digesting food requires energy, and a full stomach can keep your body alert. If your circadian rhythm is badly out of sync, melatonin supplements in small doses of 0.3 to 1 milligram may help, but only if timed correctly. Always speak with your doctor before adding any supplement. Natural solutions that actually work. Beyond pills, safe, gentle remedies to support deep sleep. Now let's explore some natural sleep aids that are backed by research and safe for most people over 60. These remedies support your body's own ability to relax without the risks of habit-forming medications. First, magnesium. This mineral plays a crucial role in muscle relaxation and calming the nervous system. Many older adults are deficient in magnesium. A supplement or magnesium glycinate, not oxide, before bed can improve sleep quality. Next, herbal remedies. Valerian root, chamomile, lemon balm, and passion flower have been used for centuries to promote sleep. You can take them as teas or in capsule form. Look for blends designed for nighttime use. Lavender essential oil is another great option. Studies show that diffusing lavender oil or applying a diluted version to your wrists or pillow can reduce anxiety and improve sleep depth. CBD oil is also gaining popularity for sleep support, particularly for those dealing with chronic pain or nighttime anxiety. Just be sure to choose high-quality, tested products and consult your healthcare provider before trying it. Avoid sedative medications unless absolutely necessary. Many sleep medications, especially in older adults, carry risks of falls, confusion, and even memory problems. The bigger picture: sleep, longevity, and emotional wellness. How restorative sleep protects your brain, heart, and mood. Getting consistent, deep sleep after 60 isn't just about feeling rested. It's a foundation for longevity and quality of life. During sleep, your body repairs cells, balances hormones, and clears out toxins from your brain, including beta-amyloid plaques linked to Alzheimer's disease. Your immune system also works overtime during deep sleep, which is why poor sleepers tend to get sick more often. Sleep also directly impacts emotional well-being. Lack of sleep makes you more prone to depression, anxiety, and even loneliness. In fact, one study found that a single night of poor sleep reduces your ability to read facial expressions accurately, leading to social misunderstandings and withdrawal. On the flip side, getting quality sleep boosts your creativity, decision-making, memory, and resilience. It makes everything, from caregiving to relationships to simple joy, more sustainable. Conclusion: it's not too late. You can sleep deeply again. So many people over 60 believe poor sleep is something they just have to accept. But the truth is, restorative sleep is possible at any age. By understanding your body's changes, rebuilding strong sleep hygiene, resetting your circadian rhythm, and exploring gentle, natural solutions, you can truly transform the way you rest. Sleep isn't a luxury. It's one of the most powerful healing forces your body has. And when you reclaim it, everything else gets better. Your energy, mood, memory, relationships, and even your lifespan. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth content on aging well, naturally. And let us know in the comments, what's worked for you when it comes to sleep? Until next time, Sleep well, stay strong, and take care of yourself.